You love your dog. You buy them the most expensive food. You give them a mountain of squeaky toys. And you squeeze them in giant bear hugs every single day. But what if I told you that you might be speaking the wrong love language? What if science told us that the things we think mean love aren't what our dogs are actually hoping for? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are ditching the human perspective and diving into the actual mind-blowing science of the canine brain. We've rounded up the top 7 acts of love your dog hopes to receive from you for their entire life. Get ready, because number 3 is going to completely change how you walk your dog tomorrow morning. Let's get into it. Number 1. The soft gaze. Did you know that in the wild, wolves view prolonged eye contact as a threat? But over thousands of years of evolving right by our sides, domestic dogs learn to hack our hearts. When you and your dog share a soft, relaxed gaze, it triggers a massive release of oxytocin in both of your brains. That's the exact same love hormone that bonds a parent to a newborn baby. Researchers call this a self-perpetuating positive feedback loop, meaning the more you lovingly look at each other, the deeper your bond becomes. So, take a moment today, put your phone down, and just gently catch their eye. Number 2. Your praise over treats. We often joke that dogs are just bottomless pits who only love us because we feed them. But science says otherwise. In a groundbreaking study, researchers trained dogs to voluntarily go into an MRI scanner to see what actually lights up their brain's reward center. Out of 13 dogs tested, the vast majority actually preferred praise from their owner over a piece of food, or liked them both equally. Only 2 of the dogs were total chowhounds, who just wanted the snack. Your voice, your excitement, and your good voice mean the absolute world to them. Number 3. The Sniffari, or the decompression walk. If you are marching your dog on a short leash down a loud paved sidewalk, you might be stressing them out. Dogs see the world through their noses. A recent study tracked dogs' heart rates on walks and found something amazing. When dogs were moved from a short leash to a long leash, their sniffing time increased by 280%. And when they were off leash, it jumped by 330%. Here's the crazy part. The more intensely they sniffed, the more their pulse rate dropped. Letting them lead the way and sniff every single blade of grass is a massive act of love that actively calms their nervous system. Number 4. The gift of choice. We humans love hugging, but for a dog who is biologically designed to run from danger, a tight hug can feel like being trapped. Instead of forcing affection, behaviorists recommend the pet pause rule. Stroke your dog gently for a few seconds, and then take your hand away. If they lean in or nudge you, they are saying, "Yes please, I love this." If they look away or yawn, they are politely saying, "No thanks." Also, stick to their favorite spots. Most dogs hate being patted on top of the head, but absolutely melt when you scratch their chest or under their chin. Number 5. A true safe haven. Just like us, dogs get overwhelmed. Giving them a dedicated, quiet space, like a cozy crate or a padded corner that is strictly off limits to kids and chaos, is essential. Love means letting sleeping dogs lie. When they retreat to their safe haven, they need to know they will never be bothered, grabbed, or punished there. It is their personal sanctuary in a loud human world. Number 6. Brain games. A bored dog is an anxious dog. Tapping into their primal hunting instincts is a thrilling way to show affection. You don't need fancy toys. Just play the shell game. By hiding a treat under one of 3 plastic cups and shuffling them around, or scatter their kibble in a rolled up towel. Letting them solve puzzles give them a huge confidence boost and tires them out way faster than a regular walk around the block. And finally, number 7. Adapting to their age. Loving a dog is a lifelong promise. The hyperactive puppy who wanted to run 5 miles a day will eventually become a senior dog who needs ramps to get on the couch, orthopedic beds for their joints, and extreme patience. When their hearing fades, Love is learning to use hand signals. When their eyes get cloudy, Love is promising to never rearrange the living room furniture. Love is adjusting your life to meet their changing reality. Our dogs give us their entire hearts, and giving them what they truly need in return is the greatest thank you we can offer. Which of these acts of love are you going to try today? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you love your dog, subscribe for more amazing animal science, and we'll see you in the next video.